Hey guys, how's it going? Since I've been back, I've been banging out the work because I really want to get a bunch of camera stuff so I could, you know, get better quality for you guys. Not just for you guys, but also for me, for my Instagram. So I ordered some stuff. I treated myself to a few bits and bobs, so I'm just going to do a bit of an unboxing and talk through why I bought them and why I needed it. So today, this is what came in the post for me. Yeah, this baby, pretty big, but it's weird ordering stuff to this address for the first time in a year. I'm gonna unbox this. I used my penknife. I got this for Christmas. My dad's dad, and I nearly took it on the plane to Adelaide. Didn't get through security.
You are really
that was a close one. Yeah, let's open it. The way I'm going to do it is I think I'm going to save the most exciting thing to the end. So let's start with the camera bag. This is a K&F concept. It was only like £35, but it'll mean, don't know why I made that noise.
What an idiot.
Didn't need that much effort. But it'll mean that I can chuck everything in here instead of having to carry my drone around in its original boxing and the camera around in its camera case. I could just chuck everything in here and it'll be sorted.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty sweet. Got a bunch of compartments. I think they're customizable. Don't know what that is. Fit a small laptop in that or an iPad. I think that's the way they promoted it. Yeah, it looks like you can customise it.
That's pretty good.
Sort that out in a bit. Oh, also the reason why I bought it, it's got a spot for the tripod.
That's pretty good.
You know, that was an absolute nightmare when I was travelling carrying the tripod around as well. Yeah, it seems like it's pretty good. It's pretty small as well, so it's nice and compact. This extra bag that came with the camera bag. Don't know what that is. Lens cleaner, I reckon. Yeah, lens cleaning tissue paper. What is this? A pen? But yeah, that's nice. Nice touch. Bosch. Yeah, where this is going. I think I probably should have done this one first. It's the Dead Cat Go. Windshield for Video Mic Go. It's an artificial fur windshield designed to minimise wind noise when used in conjunction with the Rode Video Mic Go microphone. There you go. Pretty simple. There's a hole here. Let's put the microphone in. Moving on from...
That's pretty good.
Whoops. Moving on from that, I've got the actual microphone. Bet if I want to send it back. Bollocks. If you need extra parts and the actual microphone. Looks pretty sick. Right, microphone. Right, back to the microphone. But let's... should probably read it actually, don't want to break it. Smart. Oh, yeah, I remember. I remember now. I was trying to put it on that. That's just not needed. I'll keep it though. Bosh, there you go. There's your Dead Cat mic. So my audio quality on all my videos are going to be a lot better, so that's pretty good. Moving on to this thing, the products you love with the service you deserve. I think these are all like camera filters. So I was getting like a lot of solar flare from the sun when I take photos or when I video. It really me off. But again, I'm teaching all of this to myself. Can't blame myself for doing it. I just had no idea. I think these might be the installation request. Need to keep that safe as well. Yeah, there you go. There are the filters for my Mavic Pro. Just had to double check on Amazon which ones I bought. I bought the silver ones. They are £4 extra than the original ones. They just look pretty sweet. And they consist of ND4, ND8, ND16 and ND32, which are going to make all of my drone videos a lot more cinematic, which is going to be awesome. The final bit of kit for today is another newer package. Let's open this up. I think this is all stuff for my camera. Me! Got another lens cap. Never run out of them. I think this might be the solar flare absorber or whatever they call it. No, this is the solar flare absorber. There you go. This is... what the fuck is this? I don't know, to be honest, what this is. Sweet little package again. What is this? These seem to be the filters for the actual lens. So this one is, yeah, FLD filter set. So I've got, I'm colourblind, but to me that looks like purpley pink. and slightly darker, slightly grey. Right, jeez, there's 3 of these. Another one. These ones are lens cleaner again. Which ones are these? Oh, I think these are the ND filter sets because they're all a bit bulkier. Joking, I wouldn't do that. I'm now comparing all of these filters. I currently don't know which one's which. Probably says on the side. Oh, it does. Perfect. Says on the side. First one we're going to be trying out is the CPL, and I don't know what that means. So CPL stands for Circular Polarizer / Linear, and it basically just reduces all the glare off of objects and stuff. The web page I'm looking at right now, as an example of a photograph, it's showing that it can see through the water because it's reducing the glare from the sun. So I don't know whether you can see much of a difference on here. Yeah, that's the first lens. So this second lens is a ND2 filter. I believe it's the lowest of the range, but basically ND stands for Neutral Density Filter, and it basically just reduces the amount of light that the lens will allow into the camera. It says here, it will allow the photographer to select combinations of aperture, exposure time and sensor sensitivity that would otherwise produce overexposed pictures. So there you go. This is the ND4 filter. It's just like another step up from the ND2. Personally, I can't see a difference looking at this, monitor right here. Maybe in post-production I'll be able to see. Also in post-production I won't do any color grading, so to get a proper idea of what it's like. So yeah, that's ND4 lens for you. This is the ND8 filter. Just realised I don't have ND32. I've got ND2 for an 8, so I'm a mug. But yeah, this is ND8. This is the UV filter. I doubt this has any change in the outcome of this video, because I think all it's used for is protecting the lens against scratches, moisture, dust and fingerprint. Probably when I'm moving about and I don't have a lens cap on for something, I'd stick this on, but yeah, there's probably no change in the outcome of this video. So this is the FLD filter. It stands for Fluorescent Light Correction. It says here off Google, an FLD filter provides the perfect solution for obtaining pleasing skin tones and correct colour while shooting without a flash under fluorescent lighting. This one may have an effect on the outcome of this video. Sorry for the constant buzzing in the background, that might be mum, but hopefully this dead cat's doing its job. This is the close-up lens +1. I have 4 of these, close-up lens +1, +2, +4 and +10. So I'm just assuming that with each increase in the number, it will allow the primary lens to focus more closely. Close-up lens +2 or lens. I'm reading this without my glasses, by the way. Actually, I should probably put them on. It's a simple secondary lens used to enable macro photography without requiring a specialised primary lens, which could cost a lot of money. And for me, that's ideal. They work identically to reading glasses, allowing any primary lens to focus more closely. There you go. Close-up lens +10. Can you even see how many fingers I'm holding up? This is... Ah, there you go. Ah, okay, I get it now. Ooh. Pretty sick, mate. So the close-up +10, there you go, actually is convex. So that's pretty sweet. There you go, that is everything from the order I had today. Today is Friday, the 6th of July. And hopefully my stuff comes tomorrow. Doing these bits, I have had the dead cat on, so comment down below if it's made a difference. I'm not outside, so it probably didn't. Even though I do have a proper microphone on it, maybe it did. I don't know, because I haven't put it into Final Cut Pro yet. Yeah, there you go. That concludes it. I also forgot to do these things. So this is with this thing on, Don't even know what this one's for. Yeah. Doesn't say, but I think this is the solar flare thing for photographs. So I'm going to be using this all the time because I've also had some footage that has been ruined because of the solar flares. So this thing's going to be pretty sweet. One thing I must do is review this thing, but they're pretty useful. Yeah. I've already filmed this and I don't know why, but it came out with no audio, so it kind of pissed me off, and therefore it's already unboxed, but I'll box it back up again. This came in the post yesterday. It's a LiPo on-camera LED light. Be good for interviews and stuff, and an exciting next video. I might have given it away. Onto this, and this little attachment for the camera. And tomorrow I'm going to get a tri attachment for the camera so I can have the microphone and this on it at the same time, so that'll be pretty sweet. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram. I've got I'm Ready to Drone and Alex Port LC Official. I use both of them frequently. I'm Ready to Drone is a recent one that I've just started, and that's going to be purely drone shots. So I haven't paid much attention to it, but I'm going to start to now. But yeah, I'll leave the links in the description for all of it, as well as all the stuff that I bought today in case any of you want to go grab it from Amazon. So it's easy for you guys to find, you just click the links down below. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.